Hi guys! So ngayon, prepare ako. Kasi pupunta kami sa mall. And, ano ba? Ito yung, kasi merong, kasi last June 8, wedding anniversary namin. And then dapat nung Saturday pa, dapat nung Sunday pala. Kaso, syempre, may buwan ng dalaw tayo. So, sabi ko, wag mo na. Sabi ko, ganyan. So, ngayon namin itutuloy. Kasi, wala na yung buwan ng dalaw. So, free ako. And free din siya. So, nagpe-prepare ako. Kasi pupunta kami ng mall. Meron siyang reserve para sa akin. Yun yung gift niya sa akin nung wedding anniversary namin. Massage.
Say hi. Say hi. Ziwi, look. Ziwi. Ziwi. Ziwi, look. Say hi. Say hi.
Ayan. So, yun na guys. Mukhang kumapal yung buho ko. Nang dahil dun sa gupit. So, we're at the mall. We're at the mall now. And, hintay ko na lang si Mr. kasi nasa parking lot pa siya nagpa-park. So, hindi ko alam kung kung saang level yon. Nandito na kami guys. Ako sobrang excited ko na iihi ako. So, iihi muna ako. Nandito na kami. So, ayan na guys. Wala na akong damit. And, dito ako sa kwarto. So, Ken? So guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Ayan, inano nila ako. Ano ba ang tawag yan ate? Acupuncture. So ayan, ito yun isa sa mga samples. O, diba? Ang grabe. Pero dito sa kabila, hindi naman masyado. Oh, hindi siya masyadong nagkulay. Pero yung ate, tugang mo. Pero yung sa likod ko, ganyan din. Ganito rin sa likod ko. Ayan, oh. Ang dami din. Yan. Sarap ng massage. Pero parang nabitin ako sa ulo. Gusto ko sanang massage yung ulo ko ng medyo matagal-tagal. Kaso, syempre may oras lang sila. Pero, minassage niya masyado yung aking shoulder. Kasi nga daw, sabi niya, your shoulder is too tired. Sabi niya ganun. Sabi niya, mamassage natin yan. Minassage niya masyado yung aking shoulder. So, ayun. Sulit naman. And, honey, thank you sa iyong regalo. Nag-enjoy talaga ako. Ayan. Grabe. Nagulat yung mga anak ko, yung mga ano.
What happened to your shoulder?
Ay, so dun na love. Oh my God.
Mama,
Look
what
at that.
Mama, what happened when you go out? Mama, what happened?
Talagang parang
you shouldn't
feeling ko
wear
yung
that
dugo ko
dress.
lumabas dyan. I think my blood. Stop! It's painful!
What? What? You think you're what?
Hindi kasi pwede mag-video sa loob. Bawal. At isa pa, wala talagang damit. Hubot-hubad. Ayan. So, hi guys! Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening and good afternoon.
So, ngayon nagluluto ako. Sabi ko sa kanya, magsalita siya. Anyway, ay ito. Masakit. Nagluluto ako kasi birthday ni ate. Teka mo itong nagluluto ako ate. Gusto ko siya i-try. Birthday ni ate Antonette ngayon. So today ay ang cooking special dish. Special kasi hindi ko pa siya, first time ko siyang gawin guys. Kaya siya special kasi first time ko siyang lutuin. And hindi ko pa alam kung success pa siya. Kasi ito-try ko pa lang ang taste. So yummy. So how's the taste, ate? How?
Nice.
Nice, right?
Yes.
It's very nice. The taste is very perfect.
Yes.
And then, nagluto ako ng pasta. Bacon. Ayan, luto na siya. So, ang dami kong hugasin. This is, what do you call this one, ate? This is,
Chicken lemon
yeah, chicken lemon.
with pepper. Wow! Ziwei! Ziwei!
Crunchy. This is crunchy. So yummy. I let my baby to try. Nice? Nice? Good? Do you like the taste? Very hot. So hot. Ate, oh. Camera ko in. So, a happy birthday, ate.
Yes.
I don't know. I haven't buy a gift. What gift you want?
Eyeliner.
Eyeliner? I already bought eyeliner.
Itong may color. Itong kulay pink. Tapos kulay white.
Huh?
Yeah.
How come? Honey, later, I will clean that. Do you want ketchup for your chicken? Do you want? No. Cannot eat. I don't want to eat. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, ate. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Beat fast. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, ate. Make a wish. Oh, together, go, go. Oh, yeah. So, are you happy?
Yes.
Do you like the food?
Very much.
Very much, So, what are you going to say? Do you want to say something for Ate Tonette?
Yeah.
What?
Happy birthday, Antonette. I already buy you present.
Do you have a present for her?
Yeah.
You want to give it now?
Everyone sweetie.
Do you want to say something for
Happy
her?
birthday!
So, see you. Do you have any wish for Ate Tonette? What do you want?
Unicorn.
A unicorn. I like that, See, right? Do you have any wish for Ate Tonette? Look at your face.
You know, I saw a Filipina.
Do you want to say something for Ate Tonette?
There's a unicorn, but it's a tattoo.
She just keep eating. Okay. That's good.
He said more food to eat.
Okay. Tap. You want to give your gift, Ate Tonette?
Mama, I want to give my gift.
Okay. Okay, Ate Kitchen first. I'll see you first. Okay, you give Ate Tonette. Wow! Sama kayo sa birthday.
Wow. You
Say,
know, I like
happy
this.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
I like playing this.
What are you going to say?
Thanks you.
Thanks you. Okay, you go back to your seat and finish your food.
Mama,
Kitchen?
can I put that now?
Para give
I just want to open the gift for Adi.
Thank you.
Say happy birthday. What you bought? What's that? You show.
You can type.
How what's that? Oh, parang dama, parang ano.
Parang just something.
Oh. Okay, how honey do we have give a hand?
Don't have.
Don't have?
This one is your grandmother give to you.
Thank you.
Recycle one.
Recycle. Okay.
Joking, okay. This one is for you.
How much?
Your.
Show her.
This one is your grandmother give to you. Your grandparents are.
50,
They
okay,
say happy birthday to you.
$50.
They cannot come. Just give you angpao.
You
You want Papa to block one?
Kakanan ka na.
Go.
So that's it.
That's it.
That's it. That's it for today, guys.
Ate.
Wow, that's the gift. I am so excited. What's inside?
This one is
that one is
from me
okay.
and from your mother.
No, that one is a
Okay.
fake.
We
It's a fake na. It's a fake.
buy this gift
It's
for
a
you.
gift.
It's from the toilet.
No,
Open.
no.
Guess what?
Guess what is that?
I don't know.
Just open. Let's have a box. Let's have a box.
It's a watch. G-Shock.
Okay.
Do you have a box?
You show the box. Wow, that's really nice. Wow.
Ah, what the? Something. Smile.
Wow, I like the color.
Yes.
Give me that.
Do you like the color?
Yes. It's so nice.
Why don't you try?
Wow, I like it. It's so big. What is this? This
It's
one.
like, I think if
For
you don't, okay, don't open the tag first.
Yeah,
If you
just
don't
remove
like,
the tag.
if you don't like,
What's so expensive?
No, I like.
if you don't like, you before 9 o'clock still can change.
Yeah.
Within
No,
the
I
day.
like.
I wish it's my
Hey,
birthday.
this is very nice, Han.
Birthday coming.
So how? Do you like it?
Yes.
I think this one have a lot of function.
Yeah, it's
You
mine.
can play.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the pito.
Thank you very much. Huh?
This is the light.
Oh, one more. You press. You show here. Ay, wow. Pwede ka na magbakal ng flashlight. May flashlight na yan. I like it. It's
Yes.
transparent. This one is transparent.
Mama, tomorrow. Mama.
What is mode?
Yay.
Mood if you're angry lang. You're happy and you're angry. And you know it.
Mama.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.